My name is Lydia Hardin, and I chose to use Flocabulary for my technology project this week. Flocabulary basically creates music. It's a rap type hip hop songs. In order to present information, it presents them through the songs, through the lyrics, questions, fill in the blanks. It can be used for follow-up or even for the introduction of a lesson. So I'm just going to walk you through this in order to show you how Flocabulary works. First thing you have to do is log in, and you can create a login or you can log in if you already have one. After you're in here, then it has all of these different subjects that you can choose from, the songs and videos that they have. But to start with, we're going to look up at the top, and so you have the plans and pricing. And this basically just gives you an overview of the plan. If you as a teacher want to buy it just for your classroom, it gives you the pricing for that. And then it does the same thing for the school and then for the district. And you can click on those for the things that you need. Then to look at how it works, you can click on that tab, and it has the video and the lesson. So basically it all starts with the video, so you show the video of what they're learning, and there are lyrics. You can have those printed out and show the students the lyrics. They can sing along with the song. There's review questions, there are fill-in-the-blank questions. There are activities and tests. You can print these off. You can do these on a smartboard as a class for review before a test. There's practices with printable exercises, so like I said, you can print things off and give to the students. And then there are projects and games available as well for the students to use in the classroom in order to reiterate the information they're learning. So back to the songs and videos where we started, and my content area is science, so I'll click on the science, and then you can either choose elementary science, grades kindergarten to 5th, or middle school and high school, grades 6 to 12. So I'm middle school science, so I'll click on the middle school. And then you just choose whatever area that you're studying that week or that unit. So let's say that we're studying the states of matter, so then you click on the video. And it has the option for the lyrics to print. You can print a test. There's an answer key. But basically you can just click play and it will play the video. There's also an option to have a classroom view on or off. So we're not in the classroom view now, so I'll turn that on. And basically it just takes away all of the other information that's available. So to show you how this plays, I'll play it for a second. Okay, so that's just an example of the start of one of the songs. So then you could print those lyrics off and have the kids go along with it, because it has lots of good vocabulary, as you saw. It has matter has color, odor, conductivity. There's density, a phase with solubility. So you're just kind of reviewing the main words that they talked about in the lesson of their states of matter. And then, of course, you can go ahead and print off the test or the questions or review those in class, as I said before. So you can use this technology in the classroom. It's really good to promote literacy, because they're reading along with the lyrics as someone else is singing them, or they're having to read the lyrics and then fill in the blanks of the words that are missing, which really helps memory and those vocabulary words that they're learning. You can also use this technology to support literacy development in science because it has all of those different subjects that you can cover. Like I said, the states of matter, the geology, the weather. So there's so many different things that you can go through and see for each unit that you're covering in school. And then as far as recommendations go to use this, I think it's a great idea. I think that it's a good review of a lesson in order to go over it. It's fun and it can get their minds going if it's like the day before a test. It could also be a really good introduction to get them really interested in the subject before you start really getting to the in-depth information that they're learning. It's really good to help clarify vocabulary words that someone might be confused on. The only drawback is that it does cost money. It would be excellent if your district or your school had a membership to this because you could use it in your classroom all the time. But really, from what I can see, the only major drawback is that it does cost a little bit in order to use this website. And that's all I have.